Chapter 5 Laws of Motion. First question. What is inertia? Inertia is an inherent property of the objects. Here, inertia of the body is directly proportional to its mass. What is the measurement of inertia? Mass is the measurement of inertia. Give an example for inertia of rest. The best example for inertia of rest is when bus suddenly starts moving forward, the passengers of the bus fall backward. State Newton's first law of motion. Every body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled by net external force to change that state. Fifth question. Passengers standing in a stationary bus fall backward when the bus suddenly starts moving forward. Give reason. It is due to the inertia of rest and due to the inertia of motion only. Give an example for inertia of motion. Sixth question. The passengers fall forward when a fast moving bus stops suddenly. This is the best example for inertia of motion. Define linear momentum of a body. It is the product of mass and velocity of the body. Write the SI unit of linear momentum, kg meter per second. State Newton's second law of motion. The time rate of change of linear momentum of a body is directly proportional to the net applied force on the body, and this change takes place in the direction of the applied force. Why athletes run a few steps before taking a jump? Because to get enough amount of force and to get enough amount of momentum. Question number 11. Bullet fired from a gun makes more damages than the bullet of same mass if thrown. Why? Why? Because it is due to the momentum. In case of bullet fired from the gun will get a large amount of velocity. If velocity is more, momentum is more, and impact is large. When bullet is thrown, it will get a less amount of velocity, then linear momentum is less, then impact is less. Why a cricketer draws his hands while catching a ball? So answer is very simple. The player has to apply a retarding force to stop the moving ball, and he wished to increase time period. Hands of the player are not injured. 13th question. Write the SI unit of force, Newton. Next, 14th question. Define SI unit of force. The force is said to be 1 Newton if it produces 1 meter per second square acceleration in a body of 1 kg mass. 15th question. What is the force acting on a body of mass 1 gram producing an acceleration of 1 centimeter per second square? ಇಲ್ಲಿ F is equal to m into a ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಸ್ 1 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಕೆ ಜಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ 0.001 ಕೆ ಜಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ 0.01 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಸು ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 16. What is the force acting on a body where rate of change of momentum is 3 kg meter per second? Write the dimensional formula of a force. The dimensional formula of the force is m raised to 1, L raised to 1, T raised to minus 2. Define impulse of a force. Impulse of a force is may be defined as it is the product of average force and time interval. What is the net force acting on a body moving with a uniform velocity? Net force is 0. 19th question. What happens to the acceleration of the body if net force acting on the body is doubled? Yes, acceleration will also double because F is equal to ma, F directly proportional to a. Question number 21. Give one example for impulsive force. A cricket player lowers his hands while catching a ball. Question number 21. Mention the expression for impulse. Impulse is equal to force into time. Andre impulse andre I is equal to F into t. Mention the expression for impulse is correct. Yes, it is done. Write the SI unit of impulse. Newton second. Write the dimensional formula of impulse. The dimensional formula of the impulse is m raised to 1, L raised to 1, t raised to minus 1. State Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Question number 26. Give one example for Newton's third law of motion. The best example is when a ball dropped from some height, it rebounds after striking against the floor is the best example. State the law of conservation of linear momentum. The law of conservation of linear momentum states that the momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. In another way, the total linear momentum of the system remains constant. So this is the statement. Question number 28. Give an example that illustrates the law of conservation of linear momentum. Recoil of a gun is the best example. What are concurrent forces? The number of forces acting on the same body are said to be concurrent forces. What is the condition for equilibrium of two forces acting on a body? The condition for equilibrium of two forces acting on a body is its vector sum should be 0. Name one contact force in mechanics. Frictional force is the best example for the contact force. Question number 32. Name one non-contact force in mechanics. The best example for the non-contact force is earth is going to apply gravitational force on the object. The charge particle is going to experience electric force when it is present in electric field. What is frictional force? Frictional force is the force which opposes the relative motion of the body between two bodies in contact. Normal reaction is the force whose magnitude is equal to limiting force of friction. Define static friction. The force of friction which exactly counterbalance the applied force during the stationary state of the body. Number 36. What is meant by limiting friction? So the limiting friction is maybe defined as the maximum value of static frictional force which comes into play when a body is just going to start sliding over the surface of another body. Define kinetic friction. The force of friction which comes into play when one body moves over the surface of another body. Define rolling friction. The force of friction which comes into play when the one body rolls over the another body. Why ball bearings are placed between moving parts of machine? Because it reduces the friction. Question number 40. Which is greater, mu k or mu s? Mu s is always greater than mu k. Mu s means coefficient of static friction. Mu k is coefficient of kinetic friction. So coefficient of static friction always greater than the coefficient of kinetic friction.